Deepta Kadam, physiotherapist specialized in neuro rehabilitation. I am in practice since 8 years now, having my clinic on Khar SV Road in Mumbai by the name Iraios Lifestyle Clinic. And I also manage a wellness retreat called as Iraios Lifestyle Retreat. I'm also a practicing neuro physiotherapist at a special school called as Sevadan Special School, and also panel doctor for Himalayan Adventures. Today on this platform of ePhysiocon, I would like to highlight my clinical knowledge on neurorehabilitation in both adults and pediatrics. I have treated several patients with neurological damage in both adults and pediatrics. In my learnings of neurorehabilitation, I have learned that it is very important to be patient as well as be very passionate while treating patients with neurological concerns. It is very important to treat these patients with a lot of compassion and empathy, and we constantly need to boost the morals of these patients, both in adults and pediatrics. In adults, usually we need to boost them more because of the neurological damage. There is a lot there is sometimes a little bit of emotional disturbance that happens to them. Assessment plays a vital role while designing the treatment of the patient. It is important to design the treatment program basis on our assessment, and in detail. This program should be informed to the patient as well as to the family, because the family plays an important role in the treatment program. It is essential that we inform the patient and the caregivers or the family that neuro rehabilitation does take time, and their active participation in the treatment is utmost. Observation plays a key role while the treatment of these patients. It is important to always inform the patient that what are we going to do in the session. Meaning, this helps the patient to make up their mind as well as cooperate fully in the session that we have designed for them. This also enhances our recovery period also. In neuro rehabilitation, it is important to have a multidisciplinary approach. Means, in the case of adult neuro rehab, it is important that a neurologist or the neurosurgeon is timely informed as to what the line of treatment is happening, and to take their advice timely, as to design a program, and also to keep them informed as to what goal are we planning for the patient. Similarly, while planning the treatment program in pediatrics, it is important that the team of health facilitators who are involved, meaning the developmental pediatrician, your speech therapist, occupational therapist, the special educators, are all informed, and also their opinion is taken while we design our program. Having this approach helps us achieve our goal faster, and also all these healthcare professionals can work towards a common goal, improving the treatment program of the patient. Also, when we design the home program for patients with neurological damage, it is important that we keep in mind that this program should be very simple, as well as the activities of daily living should be a main focus. So this helps a faster recovery. In case of adults, it helps them to relate to what activities they were doing before the episode of this neurological damage. And in pediatrics, this helps us achieve our milestones faster. it is very important to stay updated with the newer techniques that are coming up in the field of neurology, as well as a lot of research is also done, which we need to timely update ourselves. So it is very important to to read a lot of research papers, as well as be a part in as well as if we get an opportunity, we should always try and be a part in these research programs. And lastly, to conclude with, I would really like to thank Team E Physiocon to come up with this brilliant idea of having a E conference, so that all of us are staying updated, and also giving us this opportunity to share our knowledge. Thank you very much, Team E Physiocon, to come up with this idea in this times of COVID. It is a brilliant idea. Thank you very much, friends. Hope I was helpful in contributing my share of knowledge. Thank you very much.